Hey everyone, it's Armen from ArmensCraftRoom. Today is December 8th, 2025, and we're going to open door 8 in the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. This one is very long and skinny, so interesting to think about what might be in here. This here was an embossing folder, so I'm going to say this almost looks like a tool or a really weird shaped bag of embellishments, so let's see. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Little banner dies. I was not expecting such a long die. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll pull it off the box here to compare. Okay, so it has Happy Day, which could be used throughout the year for anything, not just a birthday. And if you've got letter dies, you could spell out the birth part of the day. Alright, so we've got some extra panels here. And then the Happy Day. So that's a pretty good, that's the length of my hand, and because you can probably add these or back them, I would say. Oh no, they're backers. Okay. So 3, 5, and then you'd maybe have one on each side potentially, or an individual one just in case. And that's what it will look like cut out. Very cool. So I'm going to pause the video to go create. If you're joining along with me, go ahead and create, and when we meet back here, we can show each other our projects. I'll show you mine on the video, and you can tag me on your project so I can check yours out later. Alright, for this card, I used a background cover plate from Pink Fresh Studio for both the frame and the background. So used one in yellow card and one in white, lined them up. Used a Pink Fresh deckle edge to cut out the frame. And then I tried following everywhere there's a cross in the pattern. On the white, I added a crystal. And here's the banner. Cardstocks are from Spellbinders and Stampin' Up. Pattern paper here is Stampin' Up. And here's the Day 6 embossing folder. And the frame is popped up on foam to give a little extra depth. If you like my card, please hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. Feeling strongly about my card? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.